I'm here today in the beautiful Woodhaven community here in New Albany, Ohio. New Albany is going through an economic boom right now. With Intel and some other businesses investing into the local infrastructure, I thought it'd be a good idea to show you what you can get for $1.5 million in New Albany. So whether you're thinking about relocating or just curious, come take a look. I'd love to show you. So New Albany is a community that continues to grow, both economically and also through homes. What we're seeing here is people that are interested in country clubs, yoga, fine dining, wine. They tend to gravitate toward New Albany. I want to show you this property specifically to give you an idea of what 1.5 can get you. Come on, take a look. This home was built by a custom home builder, Bob Webb. 4,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and 5 bathrooms are a couple of the features that you'll see. My favorite is the basement. Fully finished, perfect for entertaining. So as we move into the main living space here in this home, what you'll find is a very high attention to detail for this price point. 10-foot ceilings, a gourmet kitchen are very common here, as well as an awesome, efficient layout to invite all communication between family members after work and school. So what I really love about this property is the mudroom. It is very large and it invites kids to come and dump all of their stuff when they come home from school, keeping a lot of that mess out of sight. I also enjoy these large windows. You get 8-foot windows with this home at this price point, which brings a lot of natural light into the area. So what you're gonna find in this amazing kitchen is cabinetry that goes all the way up to the ceiling. You're gonna have the appliances that are state-of-the-art, as well as an efficient floor plan, perfect for entertaining guests. What's a little extra in this home and is really cool, the messy kitchen right around the corner allows you to put all of those small appliances that traditionally get in the way in the main area here, or the main kitchen. So just past the messy kitchen, you're gonna find this laundry room. It's perfect for the kids to be able to do some homework, as well as do crafts, folding laundry. It's a very efficient space. So moving on to my favorite part of the house, the finished basement. This is a place where you can come, hang out, watch a game, grab a drink with a lot of friends. The space is wide open. It's perfect for everyone to come over and congregate. Also included in the basement is a full bathroom that's attached to a bedroom, as well as the walk-in closet. So as we move upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. One of the bathrooms is a Jack and Jill, so it connects 2 bedrooms. When you take a look at the ensuite, you'll notice the bathroom is perfect. It's like its own little spa. Custom cabinetry, as well as the walk-in closet, is completely custom as well for tons of storage. The bedroom is like its own oasis. It's such a nice retreat for you to be able to rest and be ready and recharge the next day. A couple really cool things about the owner suite is the custom shelving, the beautiful chandelier, as well as the speakers. Awesome for just relaxing and unwinding after a long day. So there you have it, $1.5 million in New Albany, Ohio. This is an amazing home, and I'm really curious to know what you think about the features in the property. So please comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And if you are thinking about buying in New Albany, please DM us, we'd love to help you out.